Hey everybody, this is Nick from Hogan's Paintball and Airsoft. Today we're going to talk about the M4 AEGs and what to do if your hop-up door keeps popping open while you're firing. There's a little silver tab in here and we're going to discuss this, how it works, and what the right way to fix that is so this doesn't just keep annoying you. Obviously you're going to want to make sure that the latch on the top is working correctly, the spring is tight, and that the latch is forward in the groove. And if everything there is right and the door keeps popping open on you, this is how we're going to fix it. All right, so you can see here how this is supposed to work. The silver tab holds onto the body right here. And this nubbin, as you pull back on the cocking handle, is going to slide past and push it down. So it has to have a taper, and it has to be spring-loaded, and it has to engage. But it should also, the top of the silver piece should be just about the same height as the top of the plate. And on this one you can see it's well short of the top of the plate, and that's our problem here. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the assembly by pushing down on the pin and pushing it forward and popping it out. So now we have an empty hole on the plate, and I have this guy here, the spring, and this little guy here, which I'm going to call the old style German hand grenade. Now you can probably see on here there's a flat ridge and there's the tapered side. What we want to do is we want to file down the flat ridge a little bit so that this sticks up a little bit higher. So right now the edge of the flat ridge pushes up on the edge of the plate so that by removing a little bit of material here, it will stick up a little bit higher. And we can do that simply with a file. I'm not going to try and do it here by hand because I'm never going to get it straight. What we're going to do is we're going to take this downstairs and put it into a vise to hold it in place so that we can file this and get a nice, better finish out of it. All right, we're back downstairs. We've taken our old style German hand grenade and filed this down a little bit so it'll sit higher on there. We're going to take this, we're going to put the spring right through it. I know, right? My fingers are huge. It's probably tough to see this thing. All right, we're going to take that, we're going to put it in the hole like this. Bottom in first. Get the bottom tucked in. Push down on the tab. Slide it in. When it's in correctly, you'll see the top of the pin and you'll see the bottom of the pin. Both are on this side of the plate, not on this side of the plate. So you can see how it operates here, where if I push down on it, the pin sticks out from the other side. Right. Then we can close the plate, and it should stay nice and tight even when firing. All right, so as you can see, our plate is locked down. It's nice and tight. We've taken, some of the wiggle out of it. It's important to remember that the best way to pop the plate is to pull back on the charging handle, and that'll pop your plate open and the best way to close it, you know, because a lot of times everyone just wants to push closed like that. But you can see here how there's already a little bit of silver right there. This is really thin metal here on this upper, and eventually that pin's going to wear through that. You know, if you have a pick, pushing down and latching like that would be great. In reality, you know, that's impossible to do in the field. Everyone's just going to slam the plate closed. But, you know, in a perfect world, that'd be the way that you would close it. All right, that wraps up this video. Everybody play safe, have fun.